Hi guys, it is currently about 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm packing my stuff because we are going on a trip to Chikmagalur, which should be pretty exciting. It's the very first trip we're going on ever since we moved to India. So I'm gonna take you guys along and see how it goes. Okay, so I packed my stuff for tomorrow and this is Akila. This is my new bunny. He's helping me pack. Excuse me. Hello, sir. How about we stop biting the bag? In about like 2 hours, I'm gonna put these sweatpants on. Just don't know what shirt to wear in the car because it's gonna be a 5-hour drive. Kind of want to be comfy in a car that's gonna be freezing cold. We're in this coffee shop right now. Ooh. Yeah. I like your drink, Mom. So we just got to the hotel room.
Yeah, pretty great.
It's pretty great.
Pretty great.
Pretty great.
Pretty great.
Let's show you guys why it's pretty great. I just changed into a jumpsuit kind of thing, and Guillaume and I are gonna go biking on these mountain bikes. Like, if these are high for you.
This is not high for me, man.
Okay, let's try. I thought it would be darker outside right by now, but it's not. Oh, people. So we had dinner. I had pasta. Didn't even see me. So there are not enough beds for all of us because there are 2 beds here for my mom, stepdad, and my brothers, and then I get the couch. Zeg potato.
Potato. Kaas.
You're lactose?
Oh, lactose intolerant. No, I ain't the shit. Fuck off.
So I'm about to take a bath in the jacuzzi. Oh, good morning. We had breakfast already, like you saw a little clip, and now
We went to bed at like 1 last night. Everyone went to bed at like 9.
and now we're at the writer's nest, and we're gonna have lunch, and then we're going on a
Safari.
We arrived. We're in the car, but there aren't many. Oh. What I was saying, we haven't seen any elephants or tigers, and it's getting dark. So we just finished the safari thing. I'll try to make it look interesting, but what is going on? Did you just fart on him?
No, I didn't fart.
This is going on YouTube.
Why is it wet here? What the fuck?
Because my face was smashed into it.
There's a lot of shit going on. I posted something on Instagram and somebody commented wifey, and then my brother just went off on that person.
I'm doing what you told me to do.
Putting the clown emoji behind the scenes. This is totally planned, by the way, if anybody remembers from my post.
Oh, wait, no. That's one.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, pose.
Show me. This is not okay. We're gonna drive to the highest point in Karnataka, which is... Yeah, we are. Guillaume, then tell me what we're doing.
We're going in a car. Who's gonna kidnap us?
Guillaume.
Good vision.
Good vibes only. Should I open it? Oh, I haven't even left yet. There's already duct tape here because someone's head already went through the roof.
Move to the right, George.
Wow. like you. Imagine hitting your head on this.
Imagine just hitting your head anywhere.
You did it, Guillaume. High five. Ooh la la. Oh my god, there are huge bugs here. That was one hell of an adventure. We finally parked. We have like a 2-hour break or something, but I need to pee so bad. So right now, Guillaume and I are walking through this little foresty thing and finding a place for me to pee. That was something. I had to pee in the fucking bushes. And then I saw a snake. It was a tiny snake. Like a little... It was going past my foot. It scared the shit out of me. It's really pretty here. This is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen in my entire life. So this was great. My stepdad fell in the water. What was it like falling in the water?
Go!
Slipped. Imagine turning into a boomer. How'd you like it? Yeah. Funny, Mom? Guillaume, what's happening? From this angle, this looks weird.
No, you're not.
Ew.
I don't care. I do this like in pizza. I did this.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Happy, Mom?
Yes.
Ja, dat ziet er echt niet uit.
So you enjoyed everything?
I love it.
How was the food over here?
Perfect.
Thank you.
We went on a jeep.
What are you doing? You're cherry. You're gay.
That's a cherry?
I get him a cherry. You're so bullshit. I just like to try little bits of everything. That is so bullshit. If you put it on Facebook,
Yeah.
We're ready to go back into the car and we found it. What do you think it is?
Huntsman.
Huntsman? Can they jump?
Yeah, they can actually.
Oh. Well, let's go down.